Hi, I'm Jeff Schmoll and I'm the Program Coordinator for Outdoor Education and Recreation here at WVU Jackson's Mill. So right now we're standing in front of our Tango Tower. This is our big climbing structure that we have on property here, and we use a lot of different knots when we're climbing it and setting it up and all of that. So what I'm going to show you today is just a real quick and simple easy knot that has a bunch of uses. You can use it to tie something off, just have a simple loop that you need, any number of things, and it's called a bowline. What you're going to do first is you're going to take your rope and you're just going to make a little loop in it, and you want to make sure the top part of the tail is towards you. You're going to take the end of that tail, you're going to pass it through that loop towards you. You're going to go down and around the free hanging tail and then back through the loop away, and you're going to go ahead and pull it tight. And now you got a nice little loop. If you wanted to tie this around something, same process, make your loop, and before you pass it through, you just want to wrap it around whatever you're passing through. I'm just using my hand. All the steps are the same. Through that loop towards you, around the free hanging tail, back through, pull it tight. I'm gonna pretend that stayed on my arm the whole time. So, again, real simple knot. It won't get cinched down no matter how hard you pull it, so it's super easy to untie. It's great for quickly tying something off that you're gonna come back to later, just need to stay still. Good for just having a loop that you can go ahead, wrap around something. Bunch of different uses for this. I highly suggest looking into it more because there's so many things you can do with that. And if you ever wanna come to our tower, you can go ahead, give us a call, or come to one of our 4-H state camps when you get older. I hope you all have a fun and great summer in the outdoors. Have a good day.